you need to have your very own email address. It's called a custom domain. So I'm in the settings here. The very first thing you need to do, click on emails in the setting. And in the emails part, you need to verify your own email address here, which means to say you can't just do this without you getting a domain name. Okay, Jomar, what is the domain name? This is .com, right? So if you see here, I have my own domain name, Jomar at jhilaria.com. The jhilaria.com is not Gmail. This one is something you need. Now, before anybody panics, this is not expensive. It's around $40 a year. The domain name and the email address. Oh, how do you get that? Where's the service? Send me a personal message, leave a comment. I'll give you the place where to get that. Now, that's the first requirement for you to have a funnel to use the software legally, of course. And then in the settings, you also need to go to the custom domains, okay? And then load up your domain name. Domain name, remember, it's jhilary.com. So you always need to load it here. Your domain name has a subdomain. And what is domain? A subdomain is just a word that you like. For example, in my case, I have jhilary.com and I created a subdomain called creators because I target creators. Here's another subdomain because I like awesome. How much do you pay for the subdomain? The answer is free. Okay. So jlar.com is my website. Let me tell you, it's not a website. It's just like a domain name I use for emailing. Okay. The website is a different story. We're not making websites, we're making sales funnels. And the awesome.jlar.com is where the sales funnels live. That's where they live. And that's when you type a link in the internet, this is what you type in. Okay. So the Hilario domain is intended for you to have a house for your sales funnels. Okay. How about this, Jomar? You can use this. No, you cannot use this. I tried using this. Facebook keeps saying it's spam. So sorry, can't use that. You need to use your own name. Okay, I'm done with setup. Let's go to the rest of the things. So that's the setup part. Then the next part of setup, sorry,